Hey everyone, welcome back to Manufactured Housing Expert. Today we're back in Barstow, California, touring a beautifully renovated 1983 Redman home located in the Holiday Homes 55+ community. This area has so much to offer, from the peaceful desert vibe to being just a short drive from Las Vegas and all its attractions. Plus, living in this well-maintained community, you'll have access to a pool, clubhouse, and library area, making it a great spot for active seniors. Don't forget, we've toured 2 other homes here in the Holiday Homes community, so make sure to check those out as well. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers 1,440 square feet of living space with dimensions of 24 feet by 60 feet, priced at just $84,000 with a space rent of $520. Take a look at the stunning curb appeal on this home. We've got freshly renovated exteriors, beautiful landscaping, and even a couple of large palm trees that really set the vibe. And with this home sitting at the end of the street, you get some great views of the distant mountains. There's also a spacious carport with room for a shed. Let's go ahead and head inside. We're entering through the side of the home, right by the utility room. First up is the large utility room. You've got plenty of cabinet space for storage and room for a side-by-side washer and dryer, which is great for keeping your laundry out of sight. Having a separate laundry room is such a nice feature. It keeps the rest of your home organized and quiet. And through here you'll find the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has been fully renovated, featuring a new bank of drawers, a large mirror, and modern vanity lights. There's also a standing shower for added convenience. Right next to the bathroom, we have the master bedroom. It's spacious enough for a queen-size bed with end tables and comes with a standard closet. Plenty of room for storage and comfort. Now this is where the home really shines. The open floor plan in the living room and kitchen. Look at all the natural light pouring in from the windows. The living room has so much space for all your furniture, and you can arrange it however you like. In the kitchen, we've got brand new quartz countertops, a new stove, and a microwave. Plus, check out the breakfast bar. It can seat up to 5 people, making it a perfect spot for casual meals. You also have room for a dining table of any size you want. So, what do you think of this 1983 Redman home that's been fully renovated? It's listed for just $84,000 with a space rent of $520. Be sure to rate this home from 1 to 10 in the comments below. And don't forget, we've toured 2 other homes here in the Holiday Homes community, so make sure to check those out as well. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more home tours every week.